दीपज्योतिर्नमस्तुते शुभं गुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शुभं गुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमस्तुते शुभं गुरुत्वं
Yes, stop talking.
Celebrated as a National Mathematics Day for honor our great Ramanujan. So from day 2012 onwards, we are celebrating National Mathematics Day. Not only the schools, in universities and all the education institutions, they are celebrating in befitting manner. So yesterday it was holidays, that's why we are having the program, and now our one or two programs are there related to maths. So I request Induja madam and
Namaste, Vanakkam to one and all present here. I am Pranam P of class 9C. Today I am here to talk about a legend who changed the faces of mathematics. Yes, it's none other than the legendary mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan is one of the world's greatest mathematicians of all time. This man from a poor family rose to prominence in the field of mathematics. This speech on this great personality will throw more light of knowledge into your minds. Sir Ramanujan was born in Erode in December 22, 1887, and this day of his birth anniversary is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. From several primary schools to Town High School in Kumbakonam, where he proved himself as a talented student. In 1900, he became involved with mathematics and began summing geometric and arithmetic series on his own. Sir Ramanujan, moreover, his fascination and passion for mathematics kept on growing. Time passed, and Sir Ramanujan started reshaping mathematics with his various contributions in several mathematical domains, including mathematical analysis, infinite series, continued fractions, number theory, and game theory, which is recognized his greatest achievements. Moving again back to the long list of his discoveries, a letter which changed his life. Sir Ramanujan received the honor of a Bachelor of Art by Research degree in March 1916. This honor was due to his work on highly composite numbers. Sections of the first part whose publishing had taken place in the preceding year. Sir Ramanujan was a good listener and had a good memory power. Later on, 26 December 1920, in the young age of 32, he lost a mathematical legend. But still, his achievements are still honored, and he is widely regarded as India's greatest mathematician of all time. Thank you.
On maths day. Before we begin, let's remember that mathematics is all around us. It's a language that helps us to understand the world. From simple counting to complex equations, mathematics is all around us, and it's a key to solving everyday problems. We are about brought to this world the magic of maths through 3 funny and relatable stories. Welcome to the most chaotic class you have ever seen. There are 5 students in the classroom in which the first student is Fashionista, the second student is Foodie, played by Omiksha, the third student is Gamer, played by Kavin, and the fourth student is a Dreamer, played by Monisha. The teacher role is played by Nitanya, and Max personified as Tanika, and the narrator myself. The skit begins. First scene. Students and teachers are in a noisy classroom. Teacher claps loudly to get their attention.
Class 1. Today, we are going to discuss the importance of maths in real life. Any ideas?
Maths? Do we really need it? I would rather calculate the best makeup shades.
Maths is just newspaper counting how many biscuits I ate. I don't need maths. I just need chicken. Is maths like magic? Does it have special potions? That's it. Let us bring in someone who can show me how amazing maths is.
Max personified enters with a dramatic flourishing wearing a crown and a cap.
I want someone doubting your power. I'm Max, the hero who made everything you do.
Scene 2. The first story is about Fashionista who loves shopping but struggles with discount. Fashionista is holding a shopping bag and confused.
This dress is 2000 and it's 30% off. How much do I actually have to pay for it?
Easy. Multiply 2000 by 0.3 to get a discount. That is 680. Subtract it and you pay 1400.
Wow, you just saved me from overpaying. Thank you, Max. Max is my new shopping buddy.
Story 2. Next we have Foodie who can't decide what to order for lunch. Foodie is staring at a pizza menu and panicking.
Should I order a large pizza for 500 or two small pizzas for 300? I'm starving, but I wanted the best too.
Let's calculate. One large pizza of 12 inches gives you 113 square inches of pizza. Two small pizzas of 8 inches each gives you 100 square inches of pizza. The large pizza is the better deal.
Thank you, Max. Now I can eat more for less.
The third story is about finally a meeting gamer who's stuck on a tricky level in their favorite game. The gamer hold by phone and looking frustrated.
I can't beat this level. I need to calculate the perfect angle for my test, but it's too hard.
Use geometry. Aim at 45-degree angle for maximum accuracy. That's what projectiles work in real life too.
Wow, I just won. Max is the ultimate cheat code.
And the conclusion. And so the students learned that mathematics is just about numbers. It's magic behind everyday life.
So maths is like magic that makes everything work.
Exactly. Whether it's shopping, gaming or eating, maths is the ultimate secret weapon.
Class, what do we say to maths?
Thank you, Max. You are the real most valuable problem solver.
Thank you so much. वीर बाल दिवस पर एक लघु नाटिका लेकर प्रस्तुत हुए हैं। मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको यह लघु नाटिका पसंद आएगी, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सुप्रभात बच्चों, आज हम एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण दिन मनाएंगे। इसे वीर बाल दिवस कहा जाता है। क्या आप जानते हैं क्यों हम ये दिवस मनाते हैं?
जी हाँ, यह दिन गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी के साहसी बेटों की शहादत को याद करने के लिए मनाया जाता है।
गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी के 4 बेटे थे, साहबजादा अजीत सिंह, साहबजादा दयाल सिंह, साहबजादा जोरावर सिंह और साहबजादा जुझार सिंह। बिल्कुल ये छोटे से बच्चे हमें धर्म और देश की रक्षा के लिए अपने प्राणों की आहुति देने के लिए तैयार थे। गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी के 2 सबसे छोटे बच्चों की उम्र सिर्फ 7 और 9 साल की थी, लेकिन उनकी वीरता को कोई नकार नहीं सकता।
साहबजादे अजीत सिंह और साहबजादे जुझार सिंह ने भी युद्ध में भाग लिया और वीरता से लड़े। वे अपने कर्तव्य और धर्म से एक कदम भी पीछे नहीं हटे।
उनकी शहादत हमें ये सिखाती है कि उम्र छोटी हो या बड़ी, अगर किसी उद्देश्य के लिए लड़ने का साहस हो तो कोई भी मुसीबत बड़ी नहीं होती। सही कहा तुमने। इन वीर बच्चों ने हमें वीर बाल दिवस हमें साहस निष्ठा का असली अर्थ समझाता है। हमें वीर बच्चों से प्रेरणा लेकर अपने कर्तव्यों का पालन करना चाहिए।
हम सभी साहिबजादों के मार्ग पर चलेंगे और उनके संघर्षों से प्रेरणा लेकर अपने कर्तव्यों को निभाएंगे। हम सब साहिबजादों के मार्ग पर चलेंगे और उनके धर्म और देश की रक्षा करेंगे।
बहुत अच्छा, तो चलिए हम सब मिलकर साहिबजादों को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित